Exciting stuff here. I have got my hands on, I believe, the first production GeyserPhobe. I'm a big fan of the geyser. You can see my geysers on the wall there. I've got two of them, and I use them a lot. And I was talking to Troy at Quad Standard about getting a hydrophobe because I need some waterproof FPVs, and he told me that they were working on the GeyserPhobe, which is amazing because now we can do things like, you know, hand catch. I like to do hand catch and release, where maybe you fly up to the subject and they can catch it. You turn it off, they talk to the camera, and then boom, let it fly away. You can do all kinds of things with protected quads. Of course, also you can fly closer to talent. You can fly through vehicles, things like that, without chopping things up. And they've got these new amazing hard ducts that are actually molded plastic. They seem to be quite tough. They're a super tight fit. Everything about this is just amazing. And of course, because it's a phobe, it's waterproof. I didn't have to wait long for the perfect time in Florida here to try out the new GeyserPhobe. Water resistance test. Let's do it. You can hear the thunder probably. All right, let's do a little test flight in the rain. Awesome. Wow, that thing flies great. For rainy day flying, GeyserPhobe first run, love it. It's got a bit of moisture on it, no worries at all. Sweet.